You've been lied to about how many calories cycling actually burns.
That number your fitness app shows? It's probably totally wrong.
Welcome back, Fo, and today we're exposing the shocking calorie burn truth.
Fitness apps overestimate calories burned by up to 48%.
No wonder you're cycling hard, but the scale won't budge.
Millions of cyclists are making this exact same mistake every single day.
First myth, an hour of cycling burns 600 calories. Dead wrong. A 180-pound person burns only 280 to 400 calories per hour, less leisurely.
That's barely enough to cancel one donut. Feeling the pain yet?
Here are the actual numbers science has confirmed. Bookmark this.
Easy leisurely riding, you're burning roughly 240 to 280 calories an hour. Kick it to moderate pace, and you jump to 400 to 500 calories. Now we're talking. Push into vigorous territory, and you hit 600 to 800 calories. That's real progress.
Myth 2, you can eat back every calorie you burn. Catastrophic mistake.
Most cyclists consume more than they burn in post-ride snacks alone. The calories in a single sports drink and bar can far exceed your cycling efforts. The riders who lose the most weight track net calories, not gross burn.
Myth 3, indoor cycling burns the same as outdoor. Nope back, not even close.
Outdoor cycling burns up to 22% more, due to wind resistance and terrain changes.
That wind you hate? It's secretly your best calorie-burning ally. Use it.
Before the biggest secret tone, smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a ride tip like this again. Seriously, it helps more than you know.
Here's the secret the app will never show you. Afterburn, ENDA's EPOC.
After an intense ride, your body keeps burning calories for up to 24 hours. Interval riders can torch 15% more total daily calories than steady-pace cyclists.
Your actual burn depends on 5 things. Most cyclists ignore 3 of them.
Factor 1. Body weight is massive, Tev. Heavier riders burn up to 55% more.
Factor 2, a 5% uphill grade doubles your calorie burn versus flat ground.
Factor 3. Fitter you get, less you burn at same effort. Plum. Adapt your training. Factor 4. Headwind increases burn by 10 to 15%. Stop coasting with the wind. Factor 5. Riding in zone 3 to 4 heart rate maximizes fat factors, not just calories.
I know exactly how it feels, Pud. Riding for months and seeing nothing change.
3 months in, I was burned out, Tav, until I learned what you're learning right now. Once I understood the real numbers, everything finally started to click.
Here's the 3-day structure that maximizes every single calorie you burn. We start with interval day, followed by endurance day, and finish with active recovery.
Day 1, 20-minute interval session CAPAS, burns 35% more total than steady riding.
Day 2, 45-minute steady zone 3 ride. Your body becomes a fat-burning engine.
Day 3, hill session KES. Each climb fires up epoxy hard for the next 24 hours. The real secret is create a 300-calorie daily deficit. Cycling plus smart eating. That's 2.4 pounds of real fat gone every single month. Guaranteed. Compounding.
3 months of this, and you won't recognize the rider in your mirror.
You stop surviving rides now, you start dominating them. That feeling is real.
Remember, real numbers, smarter rides, 300-calorie daily deficit. Simple as that.
Every pedal stroke, now you know exactly what it's worth. Go use it.
Drop your weekly mileage in the comments. I read every single one of them. If this busted a myth you believe, smash like, subscribe, and hit the bell. I post every week.